Hey guys, it's Dave at HD Trucks and Equip right here in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. I've had a couple of guys call me and ask me some specifics on this little 2004 Freightliner MT55 step van. And so one of them was, what does it sound like? So this is a cold start. I haven't done anything yet. So there you go. Hopefully you can hear that. Oil pressure's up, all the good stuff. Starts, runs, drives, does everything it's supposed to do. One of the questions, of course, as I don't blame you, is does this work? Let's find out. It's coming out the right spot, at least anyways. So we're going to go outside and just take a look and feel the lines and see if we're going to get anything out of that. And for those of you keeping score at home, that right there is the PTO switch for the hydraulic system. And of course it's got all of the lights up on the roof, the traffic controls and all that kind of stuff. It does have the third passenger seating. That area right there is about 4 foot, I think, is what we measured it out at. And this box here is the box that you have access from the outside. That one I think is the torch. This is a hydraulic tank. You can make that go away if you don't need it. Obviously you don't need that. You can make that go away. This is the rear cabinet with the outside access for the area that they were hanging hoses on it, what it looks like to me. So if you don't need the hose kit, you can make that go away. This you can make go away. This you can make go away. But that down there is where the that area down there is where the generator lives. So you won't be doing anything with that. So, and of course you've got the sliding headache door there. And let me see here. You know what? By golly, I think we might actually have air conditioning. We're going to just go outside there and just take a look-see. There's your information. GVW on this one is 20,500. So you're underneath the 26,001 mark if you're wondering about CDL. It is a Freightliner. This is a heavy-duty one. This is not like your typical little bread truck. This is your Cummins. Nice, quiet. I don't think you're gonna see any blow-by on this thing anywhere. That's a nice straight truck. Incidentally, it has been sitting in the same exact spot for, I'm gonna say, 4 weeks, maybe longer. And wow, that's a little hot on my knees. But there's no drips, no puddles on the ground, nothing weird or dumb like that. Solid, no noises. You can see that's a pretty dry unit. You know, there's no oil under the hood. There's no oil flung around. This is a solid truck. Very low on miles. You better do this first. You got that little clip right there that you got to push in, or else you're not going to be able to close that hood. So, very nice setup. Put those little things back on so we don't forget later on. Hey, if you are a mechanic, obviously you can put another vise right there. This is for the cones, if you're going to carry cones. That's for a water jug, if you're going to have outdoor water. Tires on it. Tread is okay, but I'm thinking they're kind of old. I just want to have full disclosure. I want you to see what you're buying right there. There's your fuel tank. And probably the same thing here. Tires aren't bad as far as tread goes, but I think you're going to need a little bit of concern for the age on them. And here's your gen set. I think I might have done this already on the other one. That's just priming the engine and doing the glow plugs. There you go. Nice, quiet. 5500 series. Nice piece. Body on it is solid. See if I can, I don't know how well this is going to show up, but it's not, no horrible issues anywhere. I don't think anybody's going to have any problems with it. Stump bumper is solid. It's got one of those step-up things on there. A couple of you were asking about trailer hitches. I have no doubt that any good welder can go and put something like that on there for you. That is 11 foot from here to that headache rack. And I tell you what, if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to call me. My cell phone number is 602-510-5444. That's one of those compartments I was telling you about where they used to hold the hoses. And this compartment here is a torch tank holder. Okay? Nice solid truck. Anyway, once again, my cell phone number is 602-510-5444. Give me a call if you need any more information. I'll be more than happy to track it down for you. Utilimaster, not a knockoff. That's the real McCoy. As usual, I greatly appreciate you looking.